Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this men's remover cream, and this is to remove hair from unwanted areas, and I think it'll let you even use for sensitive areas. And actually on the picture it does have a thing, so you can move it from your scrotum, your groin, your buttocks, whatever you want, right there. And the steps look like it's gonna be pretty easy here. I will read these here in a second. I'll show you what the bottle looks like. It's a step 1, soften hair with warm water. Step 2, apply hair remover cream. Step 3, wait to 8 to 10 minutes and then move off. So this is what it looks like here. So it comes with this very stylish looking bottle, and it comes with a little spatula to kind of smear it all around. So that's what you get. And there's ingredients are, there. If you need the ingredients, you can kind of look at that. It'll kind of give you more information. Like pause it and zoom in if you really need that. But it seems like a good item here. And I'm not going to show you guys me using it because it's for sensitive areas that are not going to be on display. But you get the idea. So kind of a cool little thing. So thumbs up.